All right, I'm the flatratemaster, and let's see what's going on around the shop. All right, Billy has this Touareg with a low coolant light. I pressure tested it, found no leaks, so it's probably just, a little bit of evaporation. So he recommended some brakes on it and some tires. He's also got a Volkswagen he wrote up for timing chains, 2.0, 2.0 problems. He's got this Subaru that needs a condenser and an AC line. It's here for an AC complaint. This Malibu here, and it's got the 3.6 in it, and it is getting a complete engine reseal. It was leaking everywhere, so oil pan, timing cover, valve covers, rear main seal. Timing chains actually aren't loose, so they're good to go on that. So just a reseal. Kind of fun I'm having. Milwaukee Power, by the way. The sway bar end link didn't come off. It broke the bracket off of the strut. So I get to replace that too. I also have a Expedition that needs upper and lower control arms because of the ball joints and bushings and compressors. Clutch is bad, so it's getting a compressor and all the goodies. All right, Paul has this Denali. The expansion tank decided to spring a leak. All right, Paul on this Subaru, valve covers were leaking. Replaced the spark plugs as well, doing a coolant flush on it. Also needed a starter. Josh has this Mazda, needs a water pump, valve cover gaskets, spark plugs. Josh did a CV axle on this Jeep. New guy, condenser on a Silverado, big surprise. Craig has this Nissan, it's getting a radiator. He's got a Jeep that needs a thermostat. He's also got a Sonata that needs a radiator. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flatrate Master.